Hello, welcome Shiko Tips. In this video, we'll show you how to create a shortcut for any website. Either you're using Google Chrome or even using Microsoft Edge. If you use Google Chrome browser to create a shortcut, you open the website you want to create a shortcut. Thanks for your support our channel and subscribe. From the three dots in the top right corner, select Cast Save and Share. Then, Create Shortcut. You name it as you like. With just a few steps, you have a shortcut to your favorite website. Then just select Create. You can save it wherever you want in your laptop. In my case, I added it in my desktop. If you want to pin that website to the taskbar or pin to start, use Microsoft Edge browser. From the same three dots, but this time in Edge, click on it, then scroll down, then select More Tools. Then select Pin to Taskbar. Or Pin to Start, we will try both options. Here we go. You can find it in Taskbar, which is easy to reach it. We can select another option, which is Pin to Start. Select Yes. Hit the Start menu, then you will find your website here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.